I hear the tornado siren. I don't know what to do right now.
In the garage. In the garage, Andrew.
Here. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Where's the freak? Fuck! Where the fuck? My gosh! We need TV remote. We need TV remote.
Why?
See if we can turn on the weather channel on here. The tornado siren just went off.
Come on, Andrew, get inside.
Oh, my parents are not home again, eh? It is August 4th, 2017. I'm not being stupid. Look at the tornado siren just went off.
Andrew, listen.
Yeah, well, the tornado siren just went off.
Probably the thunderstorm. Andrew, let's get inside.
The tornado is this way. Here, lightning strikes. Oh, shit.
Are you gonna lose your house?
Yeah, we have to take shelter. The tornado is heading for our house. I don't think I should be outside. I do not think I should be outside.
Andrew, listen. I gotta tell you something. If there's a tornado, I'd be getting the news.
Oh, we have to get in right now. Come on, shit. Oh, listen. Come on. Take here. I want you in here.
I have to call my dad.
We have to call 911.
No.
We gotta call 911. Call 911. Call 911.
Guys, if there was a tornado warning, we'd be getting it on the news. I don't have it on actually.
Mine is over here.
Yeah, the siren's going. You heard the siren.
Get in the shelter. Yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs and do a couple things again. My weather radio's got off and I just can't believe it. You asshole. Holy shit.